Hey folks, look what showed up in my driveway. Now this is a buddy of mine out of New York, and he comes down to buy some parts from me, and he picked this car up in Georgia. It's the 68 Roadrunner. It's a real deal Roadrunner, and his name's Cisco. I've known Cisco for a long time. He's a cool Mopar guy. I've done a lot of dealings with him over the years, and right neat little old Roadrunner here, slam full of parts. That's what we do, folks. We save these beauties. We save them. Myself, my little network of friends, we save these cars. Look at these wheels on this thing. Now we think the seat that's in this thing probably came out of like a Diplomat 4-door, or maybe a upscale Volare of some kind. These ain't Roadrunner seats. They're nice, but and they're definitely period. So they're probably, you know, 78, 79, 80 M body or F body. Looks like they came out of a 4-door car, probably. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, they do match these door panels though. I don't think that's factory either though. But we got a very restorable car here, and it's ready. It doesn't have a motor in it. Got the old beep beep horn. Old plain Jane instrument cluster there, which I kind of like, to be honest with you. It was easy to see. It's a postcard, you can see also. So like I said, folks, we're all about saving as many of these cars as we can. You got to part some out to save some. No clock, no phone, retired, no worries, no money. Isn't that the truth? There you have it, folks. Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. My buddy Cisco showing off this car. He came by to, I hooked him up with some good parts. So he's got a pickup truck load here full of parts. So all's good. You gotta take care of your Mopar friends, folks. Take care of your Mopar friends. Take care of your car friends. What am I talking about? Take care of your car friends. All right, folks. Take care.